In this video, we will see how to export one particular blog post from one WordPress site to another. This is my first website where I was supposed to post here, but this is my another website, WordPress site, where I have wrongly created this post. This is going to be in this site. First of all, for that we need to create a category. Let's create a category to export. Once it's been created, assign that category to the post which you want to export. We'll export this and remove from all other categories so that it won't show publicly. So update. If you see, this is currently in draft. If that particular post is in draft, there is some issue. Let's try tools and export. Let's export, try to export. I click on post. If I see that, I don't see that category because that category, though we have assigned, it is still in draft. Even if I change status to draft, I don't see that category. Hence, even if you have assigned that category here, you have to publish that for a second, just till this export. We will publish and we will see what it looks like. This is what the post is. I have some images here, 1 2 3 and all. Okay, let's export this. Now you will be able to see in tools and export, select posts and select that to export. Now it is being seen here. Now what it will do is it will export all categories. Right now we have assigned one particular post to one category only. So let's export. Download export file, will do that, and we'll come back to the actual main site where I supposed to create a post. Here we'll come and again tools, here we will select import, and what I need is WordPress run importer. If you don't see this run importer, which means that it has been installed, so you need to install that. Here there will be an option. Right now, as I have been already installed, that is the reason you see this run importer. Click on this run importer and select the file which I have downloaded. Let's see the time today, 9:18. This is only one post, and upload file import. Right, that's it. And it's been download and import file attachment. I have shown you the images also, those also I need. So I'll click attachments. Okay, so these are already exist, so there is nothing to worry. And right now we will see in posts. If you see that my post is here, even the category is also exported. Right now I'll go here and I'll delete that category. I don't need that one. And here we go. And if I see the site, I have my thing here. I have exactly the post what it was in the other site. It is that simple. So even if you have multiple WordPress site wrongly you have created in one post and in one site, but it is supposed to be in another site, this is how you can export and import. Hope you like this tip, and please subscribe, and we will see in the next video. And also please follow my two blogs. which I'll post the links in the description. Thanks for watching.